kapuso! This is Melina Santos and today magre-react tayo sa comments ng Clash Nation! Eto, sabi niya, pag naka-headset ka tapos high volume mo, marinig mo talaga ang mga flats niya at nawawala sa tono. Kaya halos walang reaction yung dalawang judge kasi alam nila na may mali. Honestly, you know what? I kind of agree, but mostly disagree. Medyo mahirap talaga dun sa stage ng TV. Grabe pa rin talaga yung kaba. Kahit matagal na namin itong ginagawa, buti nakapasok siya. Karamihan dyan need sumigaw or magwala. Kapag solemn lang or puso lang, di ka mananalo. Honestly, I feel like it's because parang feeling ko nag-iiba na rin yung gusto ng madla sa Pilipinas. We have so many singers who can do it. And I am in awe of all of them. Parang, bigyan mo naman ng kaunting flavor. Hindi lang naman kasi bumibirit or yung sumisigaw ang magagaling. Oo, they are so amazing to be able to hit those notes. Again, this is Melina. Thank you mga kapusa. Thank you Clash Nation. And I hope you are having a wonderful day. What